Hi, and welcome to How to Find What You Need on AACD Central. So I'm here on Central, and I have a couple options. So if I am just sort of generally looking for courses, I could start with this AACD Central button here. But if I have a better idea of what I'm looking to do today, whether it is jump into some clinical courses, jump into some credentialing courses, read JCD articles and take those continuing education exams, whether I want to learn about practice marketing or I'm interested in signing up for some live online events, or I want to look into practice management. I can start anywhere here. So today, I'm just kind of looking around. So I'm going to start here where it says AACD Central, click that button, and I'm on our home page. Now, you'll see that there are some buttons here at the top. Go to your Learning Center. That's going to take you to any courses you've already enrolled in. Now, I'm here to sort of, like I said, browse the catalog to see what looks good to me today. So I can either start with this Browse Catalog box, or I can scroll down a bit and see what's new here on the platform. So under Recently Added Learning, we have a couple things here. A new member mixer that you can see here says instructor-led. So that's going to be a live program. Here's ACE Your Case Type 5, instructor-led again. So that's also a live program. I'm not really into doing a live program today. I'd like to find a previously recorded course and earn some CE. So here again, these are all my recently added programs. And if I scroll down a bit, I have featured learning. So these are some of the options we think are can't miss. So you can start there, or like I said, if you want to just browse our catalog, go back up to this blue box and hit Browse Catalog. All right, and you're going to see here on the left-hand side several different categories. So it's sort of mimicking what we saw on that previous page with the clinical curriculum, credentialing, journal, online events, practice management, or practice marketing. So I know I want to look into some curriculum, or I'm sorry, some clinical courses today. So I'm going to click on clinical curriculum. So here we go. You'll see here we have about 124 courses. And you'll see again in this category box the different clinical categories. So advanced occlusion, anterior composites, basic color principles, photography, digital scanning and printing, and so on and so forth. So I know that I'm really interested today in learning about some ortho. So I'm going to click on the orthodontics learning path. And here we are. So we have about 14 courses in that orthodontics learning path. I'm going to scroll down here and see sort of what's available. Now you'll see there's options from the journal, there's instructor-led, and that's live online events. There's some just online courses here. I can click that information button to get the full all the information about the course. You'll see this one was recorded at the annual scientific session. Okay. So that's one way to find things. Let's say you have something pretty specific you're looking for, like veneers. You can always go into the search catalog box, put in a topic, and the system's going to spit out, look, 17 results on veneers. So let's say I'm looking for, I don't know, let's say I'm looking for smile design. Can always use that search catalog box, and 47 results on smile design. So that's just a couple different ways you can find what you're looking for in Central. You can always go back using that Central button and go back to this Browse Catalog, go through your different categories. If you know you're looking for credentialing courses, you know, you'll click on that credentialing curriculum. Then the credentialing curriculum is broken down by case type. So, you know, once you get a hang of the system, it's pretty easy to navigate, but it's just a matter of knowing where to look for what you need. So hope this was helpful.